We came back from vacation and Mom's water heater wasn't working. So, in comes Brandon. Brandon had to diagnose where the loss of power was. It's burned up? Yeah. Was that copper?
Yep, we're going to be replacing that whole wire off of this limit switch. So the power comes in here, goes through down to the element. Yeah, it's a big mess.
Yeah.
The switches are good. I tested those.
Okay. You think you'll be able to fix it?
Yeah, I just need to change that wire.
All right.
We'll be good.
That's awesome.
Put it all back together.
You got to put a new
heating. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the heating element.
Okay.
Yeah. This right here, I think it's an 1.25 inch socket to get that out. I need the
Thank you. That's a beautiful rock. Here, I'm gonna give it back.
Here, Brandon.
Alright, Risha. I'm gonna tighten this connector down a little so it'll grab tighter and put it in there. A little tug test. I think we're good.
Basically, Brandon just came over here and what'd you do? Like follow the electricity? Because you said electricity's like water.
So this is where it's coming in at from the breaker. Your hot wire, which goes down, hits the switch, which
There's a switch under here.
Yeah, on-off switch, which I'm bypassing because this is like 15 years old. They get faulty. So I've got it bypassed here. That's going to be sending the electricity here, through here, down to my heating element.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are limit switches. If it gets too hot, these will pop out and break the connection. It's just a protection for your water heater. But I got that connection good. It's reconnected, and well, I got to replace that element. Might as well. It's old enough. 1.5 inch socket for your heating elements.
Okay. Is that like universal standard?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Brandon's going to be replacing the heating element for the water heater. Is this a very old and different type of unit than like the newer ones that you see, or are they all pretty much the same?
Yeah, there's a lot coming out that are still like this.
Okay.
It's not that different.
Okay. Kind of all the same basic stuff. Brandon had to break out the big guns.
Gotta get the big boy on this one.
You got it?
Good Lord.
Holy, look at that.
Yeah, look, it's blown out right here.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's the heating element.
Yep.
This is, let me flip it. This is the old one, and that's the new one. Is it okay that it's longer?
Yeah, it's used, but it's what I had on hand, so
That's so cool.
it looks a lot better than that one.
Yeah.
You got a napkin out here? This shit done already.
So Brandon put the new heating element in there.
That was spread open way too much. You always want to do these by hand. Basically. Do a continuity test. Turn my hot wire here. We're good there. Neutral. to there. Tested the ground for shorts. No shorts. Let's hook it up. Get hot.
That's crazy.
Getting rid of these old wire nuts, putting in Wago connectors. You see it?
Yeah.
Wago, Wago. These things here, lever action connector.
Oh, wow. So the yellow's the old,
Yeah.
and then that's the new.
I don't like wire nuts.
Alright, Brennan's putting on the plate, and we're gonna, I guess, assume that it probably works, because it takes about 30 minutes to heat up, right?
Well, I can test if it's working with my meter.
Oh, awesome.
I still gotta put the drain plug in, the
Okay.
anode rod.
Anode rod.
And we're gonna have to get some silicone to seal it all up.
Alright. So Mom's actually okay without her hot water working, because she comes over here. We don't really have a lot of light.
Shower, hot water and cold water.
Oh, I can't
Shampoo and conditioner.
I can't really see, but Mom comes over here to the corner of my camper and showers at night. This is Brandon's apprentice sidekick.
Oh, I'm just a helper. I hold things.
You supervise.
Yeah,
You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Oh, fine.
Did I put you on the spot?
Yeah,
Oh, how you feel?
I'm okay.
There's electricity down there, so that's good. We didn't have that before.
Hi, Ian. Hot water now?
Yes, ma'am.
How does it feel?
Feels great.
Were you missing it?
Yes, I couldn't wash my hair.
You were using the outside shower?
Yes.
Okay.
But now I can get in here and do everything.
Good, good.
Yeah. Turn it on, it's hot.
Okay.
Wash it, it'll spray you.
Oh, you didn't have, oh, it is hot. Ooh, that feels good.